Hello pupils, we are on Super Minds Workbook Year 2. So we come to this page 58. So Unit 5 free time. Activity 1. Write the days of the week. So if you notice carefully, so this is a number 5, 7, 3, 6, 2, 4, 1. So 7, which is equivalent to Sunday. So as you can see here, this is Friday and 7 is Sunday. So the first S should be in capital letters. So S U N D A Y. So others are lower cases. Number 3, so W, Wednesday, D-A-Y. And then number 4, so number 4 is Thursday, so sorry, this is number 6, which is Saturday. So S-A-T-U-R-D-A-Y. And number 5, this is the number 2, so which is Tuesday, T-U-E-S-D-A-Y. And number 6, so this is number 4, which is Thursday, T-H-U-R-S-D-A-Y. And then finally, this one is the number 1, so it's Monday, M-O-N-D-A-Y. So let's look at this activity 2. Draw your favorite day and write. So maybe you choose another day rather than this Friday. So I will choose Saturday. So S-A-T-U-R-D-A-Y. Saturday. Then you can rewrite the sentence. So my favorite day is Saturday. V-O-U-R-I-T-E. My favorite day is Saturday. So depending on your drawing skills, maybe you can draw cycling. So this is an example. So this is cycling. A boy is cycling. So you can draw it yourself. So that's it for today. So this is Super Minds Workbook page 58. So if you're okay, you can always subscribe here. And then you can see the related videos here. So right below this video, there's a link. So you can click it and you can join my Telegram robot that I developed.